Can you imagine a suite that takes luxury to unimaginable heights? Get ready to enter a world of opulence and extravagance as we unveil the most mind-blowing hotel suites you won't believe actually exist. Prepare to have your senses awakened and your beliefs challenged as we unveil 10 mind-boggling hotel suites that will make you question the very fabric of existence. 1. No Man's Fort, Portsmouth, United Kingdom. Our first destination takes us to the enigmatic No Man's Fort, nestled in the heart of Portsmouth, United Kingdom. But hold on a minute. What's that intriguing glimmer beneath its weathered exterior? It appears that this fort holds a secret so extraordinary that it could change the way we view luxury accommodations forever. Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the mysteries of No Man's Fort and step into a realm of unimaginable indulgence. As we make our way through the fort's winding corridors, we stumble upon hidden doors that lead us into a world of lavishness. Can you believe it? Behind these ancient walls lie magnificent suites fit for royalty. Each room boasts opulent furnishings, exquisite artwork, and panoramic views of the breathtaking landscape. But that's not all. Prepare to be astonished as we explore the most striking suite of all, where luxury meets adventure in ways you never thought possible. 2. Magic Mountain Hotel, Huilo Huilo Reserve, Chile. Our next stop takes us deep into the enchanting Huilo Huilo Reserve in Chile, where nature's wonders come alive in the form of the extraordinary Magic Mountain Hotel. Imagine this, a majestic mountain, covered in lush foliage and cascading waterfalls. But wait, there's something peculiar about this mountain. It's a hotel. Nestled within its enchanting facade are suites that blur the line between fantasy and reality. As we venture inside, we're greeted by a whimsical world that seems straight out of a fairy tale. Can you imagine sleeping in a room adorned with tree branches, moss-covered walls, and a canopy bed fit for a king or queen? And that's just the beginning. Be prepared to be swept off your feet as we reveal the most fantastical suite, a hidden gem that will transport you to a land of dreams. 3. Das Park Hotel, Linz, Austria. Get ready to be intrigued as we travel to the vibrant city of Linz, Austria, where the Das Park Hotel beckons with its unconventional charm. This hotel dares to defy all norms of luxury with its minimalist yet fascinating concept. Are you ready to step inside a concrete sewage pipe-turned cozy suite? Yes, you heard that right. These transformed sewage pipes may not sound like your typical 5-star accommodations, but wait until you see the creative genius behind them. Once inside, you'll be greeted by a surprisingly comfortable and stylish space that showcases the beauty of simplicity. Let's unveil the secret behind these unconventional suites and discover why they have become a haven for adventure seekers and unconventional travelers. If you're craving more jaw-dropping hotel suites and immersive experiences, then hit that subscribe button now and join our channel. Don't miss out on the upcoming revelations and subscribe to become a part of our incredible journey. 4. The Dog Bark Park Inn, Cottonwood, Idaho, United States. Our journey takes us now to the charming town of Cottonwood, Idaho, where an extraordinary inn awaits both dog lovers and art enthusiasts. Prepare to be amused and delighted as we uncover the unique story behind the Dog Bark Park Inn, a hotel unlike any other. You won't believe your eyes when you see the inn's exterior, a giant beagle standing tall, inviting guests into its cozy belly. But it's not just about the quirky architecture. The interior is just as charming. Every nook and cranny of this dog-themed retreat exudes warmth and hospitality. Join us as we explore the inn's dog-inspired decor, its welcoming atmosphere, and the heartwarming connection that brings guests back time and time again. 5. Ice Hotel, Jukkasjärvi, Sweden. Get ready to bundle up as we head north to the icy landscapes of Jukkasjärvi, Sweden, where a hotel made entirely of ice and snow awaits. Can you imagine sleeping in a room carved out of frozen water? The Ice Hotel is not only a testament to human creativity, but also a celebration of the beauty of nature. As we step inside, we are greeted by a dazzling display of ice sculptures and ethereal lighting that transforms the entire space into a surreal wonderland. Each suite is a work of art, meticulously crafted by talented ice sculptors from around the world. But the real magic happens when guests tuck into their ice-cold beds and marvel at the northern lights dancing across the sky. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this frozen oasis and reveal the incredible experiences that await those who dare to embrace the cold. 6. Hotel Marque de Riscal, La Rioja, Spain. Prepare to be transported to the heart of Spanish wine country as we venture to La Rioja, Spain. Here, nestled amidst vineyards and rolling hills, stands a hotel that resembles a work of modern art. Welcome to Hotel Marque de Riscal, an architectural masterpiece that combines luxury and innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on its unique metallic ribbon exterior, you know you're about to experience something extraordinary. As we step inside, we're enveloped by elegance and sophistication. Every detail, from the contemporary furnishings to the breathtaking views of the vineyards, has been meticulously designed to create an unforgettable experience. But there's one suite that stands out among the rest, a sanctuary of luxury that will leave you in awe. 7. Sheraton Huzhou Hot Spring Resort, Huzhou, China. Brace yourself for a journey to Huzhou, China, where an architectural wonder rises from the surface of the water. The Sheraton Huzhou Hot Spring Resort is not just a hotel. It's a testament to the limitless possibilities of design and engineering. As we approach the resort, it feels as if we're stepping into a futuristic world. The hotel's circular structure, surrounded by water, creates a sense of tranquility and harmony. But what awaits us inside is even more remarkable. Luxurious suites with panoramic views, world-class amenities, and a sense of serenity that's hard to find anywhere else. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this aquatic paradise and reveal the surprises that lie within its walls. 8. The Crazy Bear, Beaconsfield, UK. Hold on tight as we embark on a thrilling adventure to Beaconsfield, United Kingdom, where eccentricity meets luxury at the Crazy Bear. This hotel is not for the faint of heart, as it pushes the boundaries of design and indulgence. As we step inside, we are immediately transported to a world of flamboyance and extravagance. Each suite at the Crazy Bear is a masterpiece in its own right, showcasing unique themes and vibrant decor. From mirrored ceilings to sumptuous furnishings, this hotel knows how to make a statement. But be prepared for the unexpected as we unveil the most outrageous suite of them all, a sanctuary of opulence that defies all conventions. 9. Hurawali, Maldives. Our next destination takes us to the paradise islands of the Maldives, where crystal-clear waters and pristine beaches await. But there's something extraordinary lurking beneath the surface. The magnificent Hurawali, a hotel that offers an underwater experience like no other. Imagine waking up to the wonders of the ocean, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and colorful marine life. The underwater suites at Hurawali allow you to sleep among the fishes and experience a level of tranquility that is simply unparalleled. Join us as we dive into the world of underwater luxury and discover the secrets that lie beneath the surface. 10. Whitbread. Behind every extravagant hotel suite is a legacy of passion and dedication. And one such legacy is that of Whitbread, a company that has redefined the meaning of exceptional accommodation. Whitbread's commitment to excellence spans centuries as they continue to innovate and create unforgettable experiences for travelers around the world. From historic landmarks to modern marvels, Whitbread has left an indelible mark on the hospitality industry. Join us as we pay homage to the pioneers who have shaped the world of luxury accommodation and celebrate the enduring spirit of hospitality. Do you think you've seen it all when it comes to extraordinary hotel suites? No? Then let's enter a realm of unimaginable luxury as we unveil the extraordinary trio, Starwood Hotels, the Suba Hotel, and the enchanting La Ballade des Gnomes. Starwood Hotels. When it comes to Starwood Hotels, no detail is spared in creating a truly luxurious experience. From elegant decor to state-of-the-art amenities, their suites are designed to cater to the most discerning guests. Whether you're seeking a tranquil escape by the beach or a vibrant urban oasis, Starwood Hotels has something for everyone. Join us as we explore their portfolio of hotels and uncover the secrets behind their unparalleled hospitality. The Suba Hotel. Our next destination takes us to a hidden gem in the world of hospitality, the Suba Hotel. Nestled in a vibrant city, this boutique hotel offers a blend of contemporary design and personalized service. Get ready to be transported to a world of understated luxury and warm hospitality. The Suba Hotel prides itself on providing a memorable experience for its guests. Each suite is thoughtfully curated with modern furnishings and cutting-edge amenities, creating a harmonious balance between comfort and style. The attention to detail is evident in every corner of the hotel, ensuring that your stay is nothing short of extraordinary. Join us as we uncover the allure of the Suba Hotel and discover why it's a hidden treasure for those seeking a unique and intimate retreat. La Balade des Gnomes, Derbuy, Belgium. As you step inside La Balade des Gnomes, you'll feel as if you've stumbled upon a storybook come to life. Each suite is uniquely designed, inspired by different mythical creatures and fairy tales. From tree houses to underground caves, every room is a work of art, evoking a sense of childlike wonder and enchantment. Join us as we unravel the whimsical charm of La Balade des Gnomes and explore the magic that wait within its walls. And there you have it, viewers, a whirlwind journey through 10 extraordinary hotel suites that will leave you in awe. From hidden forts to frozen wonderlands, each accommodation has its own unique story to tell. So, the next time you're dreaming of a luxurious getaway, remember these incredible destinations that push the boundaries of what's possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers and dreamers. Until next time, take care and keep seeking the extraordinary.